What's going on, everyone? We're going to be talking about the top 5 Solana cryptos that I am in love with. So without further ado, let's get into the juicy details. First one, I actually had, I think at one point, like 2 or 3 miners, and I ended up selling 2 of them. I still have one and it's still mining till this day, and it's still earning me money. And look at that, $6.49 just today, 6%. So that's massive. I actually don't know what it is. I'm afraid to look, to be honest. But these are great projects because there's real utility. There is real, like something, it's the Internet of Things. So I think it's really cool. If we actually go to their website, you can see the IoT, and then their little graphic here, people powered networks start a wireless revolution. And so it's a way to use their Internet of Things using all of these hotspots. And like I said, you just hook it up to your network, your Wi-Fi. It requires very little energy and it provides for the network, which I think is pretty sweet. And yeah, so you can mine, you have these little miners. I have the Bobcats. I also had this one right here. So I had a few of them. They were so easy to set up. So I would love a Helium project. They have a few tokens, like I said, Helium, and then they actually have IoT token. So definitely be on the lookout for this project. Number 2 on the list is Plyth. If Solana becomes the massive powerhouse juggernaut that it is, and it has massive adoption with transactions, this is going to need a protocol. Solana is going to need a protocol to take real life data and bring it onto the blockchain. And having Solana with its fast transactions, you're going to need something like Plyth to filter that data and give it life. And so that's what this is going to do. Smarter data for smarter smart contracts. And I love that. This is the chain link of sorts in the Polygon on the Solana blockchain. So very sweet stuff, real-time data, market data, anytime, anywhere. I love it. They are looking to do massive amounts of data in crypto equities. So pretty much everything in the finance space. As you can see, the data feeds, apps, blockchains, and updates data you can trust. So massive, massive project. You definitely want to look more into this project. It did have a major run up and a pull back, but I can definitely see it going higher because it is such a low, massive project with the market cap being in the top 100. I mean, it is number 60, which is kind of like a hidden gem, but it is a major player on Solana. This next project is insane, and it's a first of its kind that I've come across actually. So check out this video. It's 19 seconds, but I'm gonna start. It's only like 13 seconds long, and then Jito will explain it better than I can and how you can earn massive rewards. So check this out. Let me expand this and play this.
Jito Sol accrues value over time by combining staking rewards and MEV rewards, maximizing your returns. Jito Sol is a growing asset, and when you redeem it, you will always get back more Sol than you started with.
Boom. So there you go. As you hold on the Jito for longer, you accrue more Sol, and the more Sol you accrue, the more rewards you can essentially get, if that is your base asset that you're shooting for. So very exciting stuff. I love how DeFi plays a role on Solana, and that's why I love Solana too. It has so many different plays. Let's get into number 4. So number 4 is a decentralized exchange, and it's Jupiter. This doesn't have as much volume as some of the other exchanges, so it is ripe for taking off. It is 58 in market cap, so it is definitely growing. And as you can see, they have a spot, a perps, and ways to ape in. So I love this project. In general, it is a great exchange. They have a lot of great information, API pulls, just an overall a great app to use. So it is number 4 on my list. And number 5 is Bonk. And I know you might be thinking, oh man, a meme coin. Yes, a meme coin. This project is just going off the charts. They have done so many integrations. They have the chains. They are, look at exchanges, how much they've done with this project with 40 different DEXs, centralized exchanges, and so forth. They have a bonk bot on Telegram, their swap, rewards, moonwalk, the pooper scooper. I mean, they have put together some crazy stuff, to say the least, and it's one of the most innovative projects. And I think it's surprising that a lot of the people aren't taking more notice in this and getting ideas from this project. It is quite possibly just a great project. As you can see, they do have their white paper here and their merch. They have their DeFi projects. So definitely check these projects out. These are my top five in the Solana ecosystem. What are your top five? Drop them down below. I'd love to hear from you guys, and let me know what you guys are loving on Solana and what you don't love. And maybe we can do some reviews on some of the comments down below, and maybe we'll pick yours. So thanks so much, you guys. Until next time, remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.